Hey guys, today I'm back to you with one amazing strategy. You will never lose a trade again. Hope you get this. Our strategy is most common strategy, that is trendline strategy. But this strategy is not like others because we never take an entry from a trendline breakout or continuation. We will confirm this trendline continuation or breakout with our own secret technique. Okay, so let's start. This is BTC USDT 1 day chart. Take a look and pay attention, please. I'm going to draw a trend line using parallel channel, not a ray tool or a trend tool or a trend line tool. Okay, I'm using this parallel tool. I'm starting from here to here. Okay, a trend line must have three touches, minimum three touches. Okay, look how I draw this channel. Here is one touch, here is the second one, here is the third touch, and here is fourth touch, and a breakout failure. Look, here is the last most recent touch of this trend line, and the situation was created to break this trend line but failed. A lot of traders lost their positions, their trades here. They thought this is a real breakout, but not that true. So how should we understand a real breakout? Okay, look, here is one, two, three touches in the down trend line. Take a look here. Here is the breakout candle, and this candle closed above the trend line. Okay, so we can think this is a real trend line breakout, but we need more confirmation. So we must wait for a breakout candle above this last trendline touch. Please note this, we must wait for a breakout candle that close above the last trendline touch, and this candle must have a huge volume. Look, here's a volume candle, and this one is the best time to place a trade idea. Our stop loss will be at the bottom of this strong momentum candle, and our take profit will be top of the trend. we own this trade very easily. And let's look for one more trade. Look, there is a trend, downtrend. Let's draw a channel here. Okay, great. Here is one, two, and three touch in this downward trend line, and two touch in the bottom line of this channel. So, as I told you, we must wait for a breakout of the most recent trendline touch. So, here it is. This is the most recent trendline touch. First, second, third, and the trendline was not respected anymore. So we must wait for a breakout above this touch. Okay, look, here is a breakout candle with huge volume, right? This candle closed above this high, but it's still confusing. So avoid this trade. And look what happened here between this gap. It's consolidating and is liquidated all of these traders who thought this candle is the real breakout. Look, the market fell down and liquidated all these traders who placed their stop loss here. Okay, and market started an uptrend. Look, here is a strong momentum candle, one more, and one more strong momentum candle. This candle was forced by the sellers but has a huge volume. So sellers are failed to control the market, and the market keeps going again. So wait for a retest and look, take a look here. The market took a pullback and retested this high, and you have an opportunity to place a buy trade or a long trade here. Okay, our stop loss will be at the bottom of this, I mean this candle's bottom. Okay, here, and our target or take profit will be at the top of the last trend. Look, it's a great win trade with 12 times win ratio. So don't be too quick to take a trade. You must wait for a confirmation. You must wait for a real breakout and you will never lose a trade again. Okay, so bye for now. See you in the next video. Bye.